Genesis has unveiled the track car that they will absolutely not sell you, and it might be the best decision they've ever made. This is the G70 Track Day Special, a one-off concept with a swan neck wing, full roll cage, and suspension tuned at the Nurburgring. Everything track enthusiasts have been begging for in a production car, but Genesis is keeping it locked away. And before you grab your pitchforks, hear me out, because BMW floods the niche with CSs and CSLs, and Cadillac hasn't found an audience for the CT4V Blackwing. Genesis is playing a completely different game, one that could make them the performance brand everyone else wishes they could be. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of the 1994 season when Michael Jordan sat out because he knew he wasn't ready to play at the highest level. Genesis could rush this into production tomorrow, slap a six-figure price tag on it, and watch it compete with the best track cars. Instead, they're playing the long game, building credibility with the Track Taxi program, developing the Magma sub-brand, and making sure when they do drop their track weapon, it's not another overpriced disappointment that rich guys buy to feel fast at Cars and Coffee. Sometimes the best move is not making a move until you can make the right move. The G70 Track Day Special concept weighs less than the regular G70 because Genesis engineers removed the rear seat, proving that sometimes the best expression of luxury is not having room for your mother-in-law. I'm sure some of those are impressive numbers, but as any racing driver will tell you, the most impressive numbers aren't printed on the brochure. They're how quickly you can prove you weren't at fault after an unfortunate crash. Traditional dash cams limp along with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, the same frequency your microwave uses. The Redtiger F17 Elite operates on 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi 6, delivering transmission speeds up to 30 megs per second. That's genuinely 10 times faster than conventional systems. Let me show you what this means in practice. I'm downloading a 4-minute 4K file. A traditional dashcam might say something like estimated 18 minutes remaining. The F17 Elite, under 2 minutes. And imagine this, you've had an incident, but then you've got to wait 20 minutes for a file to download. That's not just inconvenient, it's potentially problematic. Police don't wait around, insurance adjusters have schedules, and if you're dealing with a hit and run, every second counts. The speed advantage comes from the Sony Starvis 2 imaging chips in both front and rear cameras, plus a little bit of an advanced compression algorithm. So it's not about just how fast the Wi-Fi is, it's about how the entire data pipeline has been optimized for performance. And don't forget, I'm giving away a complete Redtiger F17 Elite system, including the hardwire kit, to one of you guys, one of my viewers. So click on the link in the description below, or it's here on the screen for your chance to win. And if you'd like to buy your own Redtiger F17 Elite system, well, visit Redtiger's website, use the promo code F17ECAM for a special discount during their anniversary promotion that starts on June 15th. This dashcam is proof that sometimes technology does what it claims to on the box. Let's get back to our regularly scheduled episode. Genesis made this track car and then immediately announced they won't sell it to you. It's kind of like having Gordon Ramsay cook the perfect meal in front of you, eating it while you order Uber Eats. Here's what's really happening. While Audi is busy making their RS cars look angrier and not actually go faster, and BMW is adding more kidney grill surface area than a dialysis center, Genesis just quietly built the track car everyone actually wants. No compromise racing buckets instead of sports seats that are still softer than a Starbucks apology. Real aero instead of plastic spoilers designed by committee, and suspension tuned where it matters at the Nordschleife, not some focus group in Orange County. It's like watching the new kid in school solve math problems that stumped the honor students. And this wing generates actual downforce instead of just Instagram likes. The Track Taxi program isn't just marketing theater, it's Genesis doing their homework at the world's most unforgiving classroom. 20 kilometers of corners that will expose every chassis weakness, every suspension compromise, every cooling inadequacy. It's like taking your relationship status from dating to meeting your girlfriend's parents. Everything fake gets exposed immediately. While everyone is talking about Nürburgring lap times, Genesis is out there giving hot laps to paying customers, proving their G70 can handle sustained abuse without any drama. That's not marketing, that's confidence. And when the production Magma models arrive, you'll know they've been battle tested by the most demanding 12 miles of asphalt on Earth. Did you know that 80% of you are not subscribed? Yes, it's true. 80% of you are not subscribed. I checked the data. So if you like the content on this channel, do me a solid, hit that subscribe button, make sure you like this. And if you want to support the channel, please hit up our merch store. Links here, links below. Lots of great stuff for driving enthusiasts like us, including our very popular line of Save the Manuals merch. Now back to your regularly scheduled episode. And here's why this concept is genius. Genesis avoids the track day special trap entirely. Instead, they're building credibility methodically. The track taxi program proves their engineering at the Nordschleife. This concept shows that they understand what enthusiasts actually want. And when Magma launches, they'll have the foundation to build something properly, not desperately. This track day special isn't quite just a concept, it's a promise with a timeline. By waiting, Genesis gets to build the track car their way, not chase quarterly earnings. And when it arrives, it won't be another overpriced limited edition that disappoints. It'll be the car this concept proves they can build right. And sometimes the best strategy is knowing when not to sell something.